fuck going on, man? I'm kicking shit right now. Feel me? Just got off of work and shit, and I'm in some fucking traffic, man. Like, traffic crazy. That's a bit nasty. Drag.
Nasty.
Drag.
Tell him hit that Jones. Oh,
That bitch nasty.
he got that crazy ass shit.
That shit.
Bro.
That shit nasty. He dragging that bitch. What's up, you guys? Today we'll be rating a detail wash. Let me get my car washed by them. I got a Challenger. I introduced the car to y'all a little bit later, but we'll be rating how good he detailed. We have a BMW up here right now, and I don't think they're gonna do bad because I be driving past. I be seeing them sometimes. So okay, y'all, I'm back from the car wash. I got a detail whistle with not what it's supposed to be in the detail, and I got distracted, but I'm back. But yeah, like I was saying, I got my car detailed. I want to see what y'all think about it. I think the inside could be a little bit more better. I don't know what that is right there on the seat. You feel me? I think the interior could have been a little better, but I like it compared to what it was at first. But the outside, I fuck with it. Fuck with the outside. They got me right on the wheels. I gotta get some new tires too. These ones getting borrowed. Feel me? 5%. Alright, y'all. So right now, I'm on the way to this little car meet thing. This little weekly meeting, and the little car crew I join and shit. You feel me? I'm kind of new to this, so I'm gonna show y'all around to the cars and shit when I get there. So y'all can see the cars, different type of cars they got. A whole lot of Mopar cars. Just a little me out of our group. I'm driving right now. Little odd view and shit. But yeah, I'm on the way there. I'll let y'all know. Yo, you can put that bitch in the cars, nigga. Got her outside getting crazy. She got the little jump in the back. I'm going to kick back jacks with the guys and shit. I should just do it and pop out. Joe act like he ain't wanna come with me. Nigga wanna go play basketball. But yeah, get them while they turning. You see the cars. Got the motherfucking. Gotta talk to him. Her man. Her man. Working at this. Wow, you see why I went to the Jones. Oh man. Let me see y'all YouTube. Let me see y'all. Alright, so look, we in traffic. This one of the members. I mean, that's the leader right there. Her shit sounds sweet though. No bullshit. That bitch need to focus. There you go, that bitch focus. And then you got the Durango in the back. She looking Yeah. Get the car. Charger.
Look at that gray one.
They need to put me in a you feel me? Right there. Hear that bitch? See him cutting up.
Cutting
You
up.
see him cutting up. Get the jump behind us if you can. You gotta get out. You can cut that shit. You can just sell some music. They need to get back here. Right, man. What he doing? Come on, Carl. Why the fuck you gonna get behind me? You see my nigga behind me. Fuck wrong with you? You see my people behind me? You go get fucking behind me. For what? That bag can sound sweet though. That's
It sound good. I hear it.
She got it in Rango. She need to get Hellcat there.
Look at that. I see it.
This our own car shit. Fuck what she talking about.
Basically, you on the way to Kickback Jocks.
See, this is what I don't want, cuz. I don't want to, you feel me, wild out and get no love, you feel me?
Yeah.
Watch how I get, watch how I get, watch how I get. Watch how I get, y'all. Watch how I get. Sometimes the slow lane is never the, you feel me, slow lane. Watch your arm cut. Yeah, bitch, man. They gonna think they left me. They try to open this bitch up. They try to open this bitch up. They try to open this bitch up. I just gotta make sure I see my surroundings before I open my ass up. But they dogging
Yeah, I
that
was
bitch,
say they
though.
dogging, so it can't be no cops up there. But still don't.
And they all the way up there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah, I
god.
see the camera.
I'm all in that bitch. Oh no. Let me, yeah, you see that. You know, when you see one, you know it's multiple. Yes. I mean, all I can see they ass, I'm good.
That's fine. I
That's why I had text you too.
Did you text me?
On the app thing. And you know you call my number. I had text you on the app and asked you. I said I was gonna be a little bit late. And I still come.
Oh, I ain't